Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today I want to start doing some of the body work on the car. So I'm going to go and look around the car and see what there is to do and do some maybe body filling and sanding. So I'm just going to get changed and we're just going to get right to work. So on this rear filler piece, there is a dent right there. You can see it kind of going through. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use an extension and kind of fit it back here where the dent is. And then I'm going to hammer it out a little bit. And then I'm gonna sand this down and body fill it. I wasn't able to pop the dent out with the extension, so I'm just going to sand and fill the area. I'm sanding the area down with 80 grit down to the bare metal. There was some surface rust around the bottom lip of the filler piece, so I had to sand out all the rust and wire brush it. So remember this corner that I fixed a while back? For some reason it's rusting again and showing up real quick. I'm thinking maybe it wasn't sealed properly or I didn't remove all the rust. So I'm going to try and clean up the area and use Bondo glass again to seal it. Here's an area that had some rust bubbles. It's right in the corner by the glass. I'm going to sand off all the rust and try to be careful not to scratch the glass. I know I could remove the glass, but then all the dust would get inside the car. Now I'm just applying some Bondo glass to the area I sanded down. Bondo glass is probably overkill for this area, but I mixed up more than enough to fill the quarter panel and this area, and I didn't want to waste what I mixed. So I sanded down the C-pillar dent and the Bondo glass here. Here's the filler piece dent, all sanded and ready for Bondo. And various other dents. Look at all the work needed for this door. Here it is, the first round of Bondo. And the crazy sanding begins. My hands were getting tired, and so I decided to use my orbital sander to sand the bulk of the filler. Alright, so this is the progress for, I guess, the body filling so far. That's all like the dents and rusted chips so far on the hood. I think there's a few more that I'm going to do, but these were the big ones. And obviously the door over here, these areas are already sanded down and it's nice and flush. This right here is new. Gotta fix the door there. It was all rusty. Sanded it all down, sanded all the rust. Just trying to flatten this out. These areas needed to be flattened out. Added a layer of Bondo here just to flush it out as well. And then now I'm just gonna sand all this down. So here's everything all sanded down. Look at all that dust. Here's the door. Everything's all nice and smooth. There's a couple of high spots here, which I'll address later, but that's basically it for today. Thanks for watching, guys. And if you haven't already, please comment, like, and subscribe, and share the video. As always, I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.